In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install any website as a progressive web app using the Microsoft Edge Chromium beta. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Edge, beta or developer version. Go to the website you want to install as a PWA, for example, google.com. Click the menu icon in the top right corner of Edge. Select Apps from the drop-down menu. Note, if you're using the standard version of Microsoft Edge, you won't see this option. Click Install this site as an app. You can rename it if you wish. For example, Google. Click Install to confirm. Once installed, the website acts like an app on your computer. It will have its own window and icon in the taskbar. Launch the PWA from the taskbar or Start menu whenever you want to use it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.